The lens of the eye is normally transparent. Opacities, that is cataracts, appear during old age. However, in people with uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, cataracts appear early, that is prematurely. What is the biochemical basis of this? For that, let's quickly revise polyol pathway. What is a polyol? It's a compound with multiple alcohol group. Is glucose a polyol? Look at the structure of glucose. It has 5 OH group and 1 aldehyde group. So glucose is not a polyol, it is a polyhydroxy aldehyde. So to convert glucose to polyol, what we have to do? Convert the CHO group, aldehyde group into alcohol group. So what is the enzyme? The enzyme will be a reductase, aldose. Because glucose is aldose, the enzyme is aldose reductase, and we get sorbitol. So in sorbitol, we have 6 OH group. Okay. So sorbitol is a polyol. Sorbitol is not a carbohydrate because carbohydrates are polyhydroxy. Aldehydes are polyhydroxy ketones or compounds which produce them on hydrolysis. Right? Okay. What happens to sorbitol? It gets oxidized to fructose in the second carbon, right? The second carbon is oxidized to produce fructose. So the easy way to remember the polyol pathway is GSF. Glucose to sorbitol, sorbitol to fructose. So in glucose, we are reducing the first carbon. So in sorbitol, we are oxidizing the second carbon. So polyol pathway is a pathway that produces fructose from glucose. All right, that is the significance of polyol pathway. What happens in uncontrolled diabetes mellitus? So there is increased blood glucose. So this increased blood glucose will go to the lens of the eye, right? So there will be more aldose reductase activity. There will be more production of sorbitol. Then you may think there will be more production of fructose, right? The reaction of conversion of sorbitol to fructose is slower than the production of sorbitol. Okay, so that is why sorbitol accumulates in the eye. Sorbitol, because of its 6 OH group, is osmotically active. So this creates osmotic imbalance inside the lens of the eye. So water is attracted, there is swelling of lens, so it leads to the damage of fiber. The transparency of the lens is due to the regular arrangement of lens fibers. Because of this osmotic imbalance, water accumulation, now that transparency is gone, so you get cataract. Okay, so this is the major reason. The other reason is increased glucose will also produce more advanced glycation end products. So the short form for this is age, right? Age, advanced glycation end products. So this age will go and cause cross-linking of lens fibers that will also lead to cataract. Also, in diabetes mellitus, there is increased free radicals. So these free radicals will also cause cataract. So which is the major reason? The major reason is sorbitol accumulation and osmotic imbalance. All right.